Hi, I'm Ryan with the Talos Jones Technical Support Team, and I am here to show you how to take off and replace a elbow connector on the T50. First thing we're removing is the motor cover. There's going to be 4 screws, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Pull it apart. Just be careful to not rip or break anything. And then here is the elbow connector. So there are 2 hoses, one that goes into the arm, one that goes into the spray lance, and there are 2 nuts connecting them. You're gonna have to unscrew both of the nuts. It's usually hand tight, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. And then you just pop it out one at a time. And there you go.